Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Kajal Virulkar from MIT Academy of Engineering, and basically today's topic is related to digital image processing. So the topic is face feature detection. In this video we are going to learn how to detect faces. So everyone knows how it's easy task for us, that is face recognition, but it's very difficult and hard to automate in computerized application. So what exactly problem is? Access code for buildings, bank accounts and computer systems often use pins for identification and security clearances. Using the proper pin gains access, but the user of the pin is not verified. When credit card and ATM cards are lost, an unauthorized user can often come up with the correct personal code. Then what happens? Your system is not secure. So how you are going to secure your system properly? So by using face identification and face verification method, you can secure your data, secure your system very properly. So this problem is solved by using face recognition technique. So what is exactly objective is the objective is to identify face features and you make your systems secure by using face identification. So there are two types of face recognition. One is verification and second one is identification. So we are going to work on identification, the face identification method. So let's see how it is. Firstly see what is face identification, what exactly it is. So in this system compares the given individual to all the other individual in the database and gives the ranked list of matches. So let's see practically. So you got better outputs and understanding. So this is my original image. I am going to apply face feature detection by using MATLAB code on this image. This is the code for face detection. In this first line, I am going to read the image by using imread command. In the second slide, I am going to resize my original image. So why it is required? It's not required, but it's better to work with smaller images. The given image is too big, so by using imresize command, I am going to scale it down. By using imshow command, you can see your resized image of original image. And next instruction is detector equals to vision.cascade object detector. This is the function which is from computer vision toolbox, and this is the instruction and command for face detection. Detector.merge threshold equals to 100. This is the command, and threshold value of threshold value is by default 4 in the MATLAB, but as per requirement you can change your threshold value. So I will tell you the reason behind this and how it is in the last slide. Coming to next instruction, that is B box, that is bounding box of detection. It will be step detector comma A. So what you want in output, that is out equals to insert object annotation A comma rectangular comma B box comma detection. You can simply put here face instead of detection for detection, and here you can put the notation of your given detected area, what you want or what name actually exactly you want, you can put simply here. By using imshow command, I will get this output. You can see simply the face is detected, and detected area is is covered by using rectangular area, and namely as detection, as I have named it detection. If I put face here, you can see face name. Okay, so by using same code you can detect eyes as well. Only the thing is change here is you have to simply put eye pair big. By using this you can detect your both eyes, and you can see here the threshold value is increased, that is 200. So by using this value you can you will get the accurate output of eyes, detected eyes. In the mouth detection, same code is here, only thing is changed here. Simply I put mouth command on detector command, and here threshold value is 50. So same problem, same code is here, and I have told you that you can put any name for name purpose. So simply I put here mouth, so you can see in output mouth is named. So you can see this image. Sometimes what happen, a computer system may detect lots of detection. So this is the output of face detection, but you can see here is mouth detected as well, here is eyes detected as well, but not face detection. So how you can resolve this problem? So by using threshold value, value you can accurate your output. You can simply increase your threshold value for remove the detections, and if no detection is found, simply decrease your threshold value, so you will get accurate output. You can see in my code I have changed my threshold values, and I got my output very well. So hope guys I explained well, and hope you got all concepts, and hope everything is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.